Welcome to Books and Beasties. My name is Sarah Newland. I'm a licensed veterinary technician and a multi-award-winning young adult fiction author. And Books and Beasties is really a combination of those two things. So here I'm going to be diving into some of our favorite books and looking at how the animal characters in those books impact both plot and the development of other characters. This book chat, book discussion, book club is spoiler free, and going through this I'm going to be exploring a little bit about the book itself, the history of the author, the little beastie in question, and I'm going to follow up with a little bit of a vet tech tip for you at the end. This is a super casual space, so please give me your comments, your questions, and bear with me, I am a writer, not a speaker. So just a little bit about myself. Like I said, I am a licensed veterinary technician, which is basically the veterinarian's right-hand man. So I'm running lab work, anesthesia, helping with vaccines. Puppies and kittens are really kind of not a thing. I mean, sometimes, but a lot of people think that that's the majority of the job, and it's not. It's fun when it is. I've worked with dogs and cats, of course, reptiles, birds, a lot of exotic species, wildlife, so bobcats, sea turtles, some birds of prey, owls, eagles, vultures, red wolves, squirrels, which are actually my favorite animal, squirrels, which I don't have a book with a squirrel beastie, so I'm either going to have to write one or please somebody send me one, and we will definitely be covering it here. As for my books, I do have 3 published books, The Coelacanth Project. So first book is Extant, and then Chemist, and the last book is Regent. It is an award-winning series. It follows 5 Virginia teenagers that discover they have this ability to tack across oceans. So tack standing for Temporal Associated Conditional Kinesis, so they can teleport. And I did not know until I wrote the series that tacking is a sailing term. That was a very happy accident, but we're gonna act like I planned it. So it's a lot of fun. It is very beach themed, so teens with superpowers, ocean-esque, and follows some themes of learning to be more than what your parents outlined or expect of you, what society expects of you, making your own decisions, and learning how to deal with things like grief, loss, betrayal, and finding strength in friendship, hope, and strength in yourself. So it's a really good time, and it's based with a lot of Virginia landmarks. So you see Williamsburg a little bit, the Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel. The Chesapeake Bay is hugely featured. Whoopsies, I'll go into that more another time. Chesapeake Bay Bridge Tunnel, the Eastern Shore, and a little bit of North Carolina, a little bit of Florida, and then it goes quite a bit more global from there. So if you have some free space on your TBR pile, I would love for you to add them to it. Anyway, I am so glad that you are here with me, and I hope that you are as excited about animals and books as I am. If not, you will be hopefully by the end of this. So let's go ahead and jump in.